Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny clips from TikTok. We basically just have a nice time, chill, and get some laughter on God. We don't do too much here. We just chill and we vibe. You feel me? I'm continuing with the dad jokes. Without wasting any time, we just gonna go straight into the reaction video. Let's check out this video real quick.
What do you call an Asian dwarf?
Just a small person.
Tiny.
I don't know if I fully get that. Can you explain it to me?
Tiny.
What's the word meant to be?
Tiny.
Say it again.
Just squeezing out the racism.
Yeah, I feel like she gets it, but she's just milking it. She definitely gets it. How can you not get it?
I was so close to doing the eyes. No. Dwarf eyes. Not Asian eyes. Dwarf eyes are like...
What?
Oh, God.
Tiny.
What do you call a Chinese billionaire?
Another Asian joke.
Why was the snake hungover?
Why?
It had a big night on the hiss.
He had a big nut on the his. Wait, what?
Snake hungover.
Why?
It had a
Oh,
big
okay.
night on the hiss.
Okay, okay. Okay, I get it now. Okay.
What sneakers do chickens wear?
Okay.
No.
Reebok. Bok. Bok. Bok.
That was not so bad. That was not too bad. But Reebok, that was not too bad.
Hey mom, what's the difference between a light bulb and a pregnant woman?
What, Jesse?
A light bulb and a pregnant woman.
You can unscrew a light bulb.
Wow. That joke was crazy.
What's the difference between a piano, a tuna, and a bottle of glue?
Piano tuna.
Me for a loop with the bottle of glue. I don't know.
You can tune a piano, but you can't piano a tuna.
What's the bottle of glue?
That's what people get stuck on.
Okay, that was a
Isn't
good
there a
one.
pregnant Barbie doll?
Pregnant.
I'm sorry, Lee, because Ken came in a different box.
Yo, that was a good one, bro. That was a good. If you get it, that was a good one.
Why did the cat get a ticket?
Why?
Because it littered.
Why for the TV like that though?
Why did the thief wear blue gloves?
Why?
So he wouldn't get caught red-handed.
Okay.
What did the cop say to the ice cube?
What?
Freeze. What do you call a prisoner taking his own mugshot?
What?
A selfie.
Okay. Not too bad. Not bad. Not bad.
What do you call a small mother?
Minimum. Wow.
Oh, no, toilet paper, so we're good using old newspapers.
Yeah.
The times are rough. I called work this morning and whispered, "Sorry boss, I can't come in today, I have a week off." He exclaimed, "You have a week off?" I said, "Really? Thanks boss, see you next week." Two guys walk into a bar. The third one talks. "I'm giving my chimney away for free. You could say it's on the house." What's the difference between me and a calendar? A calendar has dates.
Wow, that's so sad.
Killer may not fix your life, but it's worth a shot. My landlord says he needs to come talk to me about how high my heating bill is. I told him my door's always
My door is always open. That's crazy, bro. That's the reason why the whole thing is going out, right? You're hitting the whole flipping house. That's mad.
Worst dad jokes of all time, part 15. Go.
Let's hear it for protein powder.
What do you call an alligator in a vest?
What?
An investigator?
No. A farmer asked me to round up his 68 sheep. I said, sure, 70.
Why did a scarecrow win an award?
Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Someone asked me if I'd seen the cat bowl. Didn't know the cat could bowl.
What does a nosy pepper do?
What does a nosy pepper do?
It gets jalapeno business.
I pulled a sickie at work the other day. Just one of the perks of working at a hospital.
I read that one. What do you give to a sick lemon?
What?
Lemonade.
Okay. That was good. That was
tofu
good.
and dildos have in common?
What?
They're both meat substitutes.
Wow.
It's a good one.
Damn.
Hmm.
Damn.
I told the cop, you can't write me a ticket. I have a marathon to run tomorrow. The cop said, sir, that's not how you play the race card.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
good.
That's a good one.
Thank you.
That was a good one.
What is brown and sticky?
What?
A stick. And my uncle Dinesh.
That was good. It was really good.
Do you have any dad jokes?
My wallet's a lot like an onion. Every time I open it, I cry.
Why did the whale blush?
Why?
He saw the ocean's bottom.
Why are bicycles always exhausted?
I don't know.
Because they're too tired.
What do you call a snail on a ship?
I don't know.
A snailer.
What did the buffalo say to his boy as he dropped him off at school? Bye, son.
Okay. That wasn't so
Dad
bad.
jokes until I laugh out loud.
Why do bees have sticky hair?
Why?
Because they use a honeycomb. Why did the orange stop halfway up the hill?
Why?
Because he ran out of juice. I was going to tell you a time traveling joke, but you didn't like it. All I do is crush cans all day. It's so depressing. You laughed.
The time traveling joke and the soda pressing jokes. I like those ones. Those ones were nice.
What do you call a cow that's twerking?
What?
What? A milkshake. What is?
I didn't see the lady who was behind. Oh wait, and this one.
That's twerking. What? A milkshake.
A milkshake. Why you should have bop like that and then look at
What is Casper's favorite Mexican
Oh
food?
shit. Casperconian?
A burrito.
I noticed that works when I'm like, burrito. Like, or should you go, burrito?
I thought you were gonna say ghost peppers.
Good one too.
Okay.
What's the difference between women and cars?
Oh, okay. I want to know.
I don't want to say anything.
Good call.
Better.
Men have been in both, but they treat one way better than the other.
The woman, right?
Obviously. Just like how you said
'Cause
that if
all
you drink
men
too
are-
much, you're gonna get violent. Yeah.
If I lose.
Okay. But I mean, I'll treat my woman. I'll treat them both equally. Let's just put that out there because my car is like, you know,
Kidding.
and my woman too, like, you know. So I treat them both like equally, right? So yeah.
Why was the snake hungover?
I had this one before.
Big night on the hiss.
We had this one before. Still a good joke. Big night on the hiss.
Ah, cheers.
Oh, fuck.
Alright.
There we go.
How do you embarrass an archaeologist?
How?
Hand them a used tampon and ask them what period it's from.
Ah, that's gross.
Why is why was she acting like that when he said that's gross? Like, come on, chill out now.
What is a gay horse eat? What does a gay horse eat? Hey!
Okay. Okay.
What do you call a dog that can do magic?
What?
Say it, bro.
A labracadabrador.
Bro, her reaction is, look at her face, bro. Look how disappointed she is.
That a dog fan?
She's so disappointed, bro.
Labracadabrador.
No, that's a bad joke. That's such a bad joke, bro. It's not even
Whoever
funny.
stole my Microsoft Office, I will find you. You have my word.
That's a really good one.
Thank you.
He knows he wants to say that's a bad joke, but he can't say it. Deep down, he wants to say that's a bad joke, but he just couldn't say it. Damn.
That's well constructed.
It's a good joke, isn't it?
Yeah. What does a janitor yell when he comes out of the closet?
What?
Supplies!
Almost.
You were close.
Yeah.
I thought I was going to get you with that one for sure.
What has 5 toes but isn't your foot? My foot.
Or really?
Oh, we're not editing that out. What do you call an old snowman? A glass of water.
Okay. I see it. I see it. I see it.
Which one is faster? Hot or cold? Hot, because you can catch a cold. I'm trying to play.
I like that one. That one was good, but not too funny. It was just good.
Thank you.
Why were the Twin Towers mad during 9/11?
Why?
They ordered pepperoni pizza, but all they got was plain.
Oh my god.
That's very good. That's good.
One,
Take a break. Take a breather. Think it through.
Well, I'm trying to say it. Why do you
No,
let me talk?
I'm trying to stop you from saying
Dad jokes, if it's funny, you survive. If you don't, you will get shot.
Damn.
Put the hat back on. What did the cell say when his sister stepped on his foot? What? Mitosis.
That was a good one.
I was gonna say a joke about my dick, but it was too long.
This guy's staying.
I rubbed ketchup in my eyes. Now I got hindsight.
That was a good one, bro.
You ready for this one? Having sex on an elevator is wrong on so many
levels. Yeah. I saw it coming. I saw it coming.
What mouse has 2 legs?
Mickey Mouse?
What duck has 2 legs?
Donald Duck.
All ducks have 2 legs.
Wait. He tapped her ass like that.
All ducks have
Wait, let me see it. Oh, he did that.
What do you call a woman who refuses to give head?
Wait. Uber, I was gonna say, what do you call a chick that does suck dick? You know, that was JID. That was what came in my head. You don't call her.
An Uber.
Nah, you don't even call her at all.
I was gonna say Abby.
Ooh.
How do you know that? It's not true.
They're so drunk right now, they start spilling the tea, bro. We don't even need to hear all the details, bro. You can keep it. You can keep
You
it.
also laughed. No, I'm not laughing. You are laughing.
That was good.
I hate you.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, yeah, I took a stand.
It's alright.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
My first one.
Won't be the last one, though.
Try not to laugh.
Dad jokes. What did the buffalo say when his son left?
What?
Bye, son.
Heard that one
I
before.
washed trousers the other day, but I couldn't find any.
Oh. That wasn't funny.
What do you call a fish with no eye?
What?
Fish. What do you call a person with no body and no nose?
What?
And nobody knows. Yeah.
What do you call a cheese that isn't yours?
What?
Not cheese. Nacho
When
cheese.
does a joke become a dad joke?
When?
When it becomes a parent.
Well, we
No.
had some of this before.
I gotta take this call. Hello.
So rude.
Yeah.
2 years ago, my doctor told me I was going deaf. I haven't heard from him since. What do you call a laughing motorcycle? Yamaha.
That was okay. That wasn't too funny. His laughter just makes
James Bond and a bubble buff. 007.
okay.
What did the sushi say to the bee? What's up, B?
What's up, B?
Why did the Mexican take anti-anxiety medication? For
For Hispanics attacks. Wow.
I like ass. I eat a lot of ass.
Whoa. Okay. Relax. We didn't ask, bro. We didn't need to know that information. Chill out, bro. Relax. It's okay. Do for you, like, bro. Chill out now. What?
Did you hear about the gingerbread man who was fought in the war? He lost his leg in Nom.
Gingerbread's really
Nom, yeah. He later formed a band. It was called Limp Bizkit.
There's this guy, right? He wanted to speak to this chicken. Really wants to talk to this chicken. He starts like poking the chicken. He's saying, hey chicken. The chicken's ignoring him. He goes, hey chicken. He starts pulling at his feathers, really annoying him. The chicken says nothing. And he goes, hey chicken, why don't you talk to me? And the chicken goes, fuck off!
That's good. Why did
That's
Barack
good.
Obama cross the road?
Why?
He was avoiding answering questions regarding the Flint, Michigan water crisis.
Okay, obviously I'm not American. I don't know what that is, but that felt a little bit personal, right? That felt a little bit too close to home. That sounded really, really personal. Like he had a personal vendetta with Barack
Why is it
Obama.
so hard to
That's
argue with a
crazy.
woman that's not wearing a bra? She already made 2 really good points.
I mean, don't look down, bro. Damn.
I'll take a shot.
Oh, that's a nice joke. What? Damn.
What vegetable is good for memory?
What?
Cucumber. My uncle stuck one up my ass when I was 6 and I've never forgotten it.
Yo, what is going on with these jokes, bro? What is wrong with what kind of jokes are these, bro? That's crazy, bro.
Stuck
Damn.
one up my ass when I was 6 and I've never forgotten it.
Wow, that's
toilet paper in KFC.
Why?
Because it's finger licking good.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why do people...
These are some dirty ass jokes, bro.
with foot fetishes never win? There we go, some foot gear for you.
I know. Never what, sorry?
Why do people with foot fetishes never win?
Never win what?
Anything.
Why?
Because they like the taste of defeat.
Oh yeah, yeah, nah, that was funny, bro. The last part was funny, dirty but funny. Hey, yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I'm liking this dad jokes so far, so we're definitely gonna do more dad jokes, man. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful night, or wonderful morning, whenever you're seeing this video. Yes, so see you guys on the next one, and we are out, ladies and gentlemen. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the family. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so let's keep going, man. Peace out.